There's two roofs, both lean-tos for a stable and a manger. 420 mil. So this is the short roof. It's 180 mil. Okay, this is the interior wall supporting the high end of the long roof. Jobs are good one, sir. The exterior wall on the short side of the long roof is the same length as the small roof, fortunately, but only a bevel on one end. Square at one end, bevel the other. Okie dokes. Voila! This is the short exterior wall which supports the short roof for the byre, where they keep the animals. This is the base, the floor of the nativity scene. I'm not going to square cut it, just going to bit of an angle cut to give it a more rustic look, you know. So I have everything in situ on its side, the base, walls, roofs. So I'm going to mark it here to nail it from the underside, the walls, and then we'll nail it from the top through the roof. And just nails, hammer, saw. This is PVA wood glue. Not going anywhere. In the back for the crib. Those kids were fast as lightning. Ooh. So I'm going to create a concave here. It's coming in 50 mil, 2 inches. I'm going to make a curve. getting jiggy with it. Just sanding where wood meets wood, because this was coated before with something, so to make sure that the glue bites. So just a wee bit of glue. Off any sharp edges. It's a nice wee block plane. It's only cheap, this block plane, but I've had it for years, but it's nice and light and keep it sharp. It's as good as any. I'll just sandpaper here, take off any sharp edges. I'll plane off this green and, you know, give it an old feel, because obviously they didn't have machine tools back in the times of our Lord. Now for the precision, mate. Oh, because once this touches, oh, that's it. You're done. You're done, skis.